right, you guys, so today we are going to be doing another wig review. So if you want to check out this new synthetic wig, then definitely keep on watching. If you're interested in this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review of this unit on my channel. I will leave a link in the information bar down below, and I'll also leave one right here, but don't you click that link until you finish watching this video first. Today's wig is from Sensational. This is a new one. A lot of folks have been super excited about this wig. This one is called Boutique Deep, and I do have her in a 1B. So for cap construction, this does look like it is a half wig. You have one large comb in the front, one smaller size comb in the back, your two adjustable straps, and no lace. Looks like you have some pretty decent layers in this bad boy. And she doesn't seem too thick. The waves look pretty consistent all the way throughout. So let me go ahead and pop her on. So this wig is definitely really pretty. So since it does have this right here, normally I would have left some hair out, but I can't do that right now because my hair is braided back. So I'm going to do the flip over method and add some baby hairs. So like I said, normally with a half wig like this, I would definitely have left some of my own hair out, but that wasn't really an option right now because my hair is braided back and I have like a ton of other wig reviews to do today, so I'm not about to take my braids out for the half wig. But you can finesse the half wig by just doing a flip over and adding some baby hairs. I mean, it does take a little bit of effort because, you know, it's going against the way that the wig is made to lay down, but it can be done. So if you have a half wig and you don't want to leave any of your hair out, you can finesse it, you know, but it's just going to take a little extra effort. I think this wig is really bomb. It's so pretty. I love the length of it. I think she would be real cute cut as well, but for right now, I think the length is really pretty. I think this wig would look cute even like fluffed out a little bit more. Really pretty. So yeah, you guys, definitely check her out. Yeah, I just really like it. It's really cute, and yeah, she looks like a really easy get up and go style, and one that definitely can be added to your arsenal. Let me know what you guys think about this sensational wig. Have you guys seen any other reviews on it? Is she one that you're interested in? Let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the slow-mos because you already know they are so lit.